everyone, welcome to my channel Newt 8. This is the first video of this channel as this is the new YouTube channel and my name is Momita. Hope you all are doing good. Newt 8 is short for nutrition education. This channel is all about nutrition science. So the target audience for this channel are people who have a keen interest in nutrition science and students of nutrition and dietetics or food science and food and nutrition. This will be a great help, and from your support this will be a great journey too. And in my lectures I will be sharing some PDFs and notes as well, and all my lectures are updated and research based. Today I'm not going to take any topic or any lecture. This is going to be an introductory video. So from my next video, I will be covering the basic introduction to nutrition and dietetics and some important topics related to nutrition or a subject or a field from in my further classes. I believe that whatever topics you are studying or any subject, whatever you are studying, it is very important that you know the basics. That's why the first video of this channel will be that is the next video will be based on the basic introduction of the nutrition science. And it is very, here I have mentioned something about myself because I believe that all the viewers and subscribers have all the right to know about the person whom they are following and who is going to take their classes. So I'll be taking my classes from next video. Till then, what you have to do is subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you will get the notification on time whenever any new video is uploaded, and like, share and comment. Yes, you can comment in this video too. But from the next video you can ask your questions in the comment section, and I will make sure I will clarify all the doubts on time. यहाँ ज़रूरी हो जाता है ये बताना कि हमारे जो लेक्चर्स होंगे वो दोनों इंग्लिश और हिंदी में होंगे, क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है शायद कुछ लोगों को दिक्कत आ सकती है इंग्लिश में, इसलिए मैं ट्राई करूँगी कि मेरे सारे लेक्चर्स हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों में मैं प्रोवाइड कर सकूँ. Till then, take care, be happy, be safe, and don't forget to subscribe, press the bell icon, like and share and comment. Thank you.